I am Dr. Lambeau. We have learned different candle patterns in the previous chapters. I hope you enjoyed learning more about these patterns. In this module, I will introduce you to more patterns that will help you in trading. Double top. A double top moves in a similar pattern to letter M. They happen when the price reaches a high price 2 consecutive times with a moderate decline between them. The peak is a sign that the price failed to break a resistance level and then starts falling. Then the price tries to break the resistance level again after falling but fails for the second time. For example, a double top was formed on the 4-hour US dollar Swiss franc chart in March 2019. A double top is a strong top reversal pattern, telling us that buyers and sellers are taking turns.
If you want to watch the full version of the video, you can go to TradingLive or download the TradingLive app. Share it to your friends and learn for free.